Good morning, everybody. J-Mac back at you with another informational video. I am doing Riversol. I got this 15-day kit from them for $12.95. And it's a 2-week supply. It's a product by Dr. Rivers. This includes the cleanser, the serum moisturizer, and a glycolic peel. It's Riversol skincare. You could get it online. This little package is a sample. It's $12.95 and it is just 15 days. You open it and this is what's in the pack. Let me try to fix it. I mean, I would say it's very well put together because they send it to you like this. It's a 15-day trial, and everything, like I said, is labeled, even though this keeps falling out. The hydrating cream cleanser. So basically it gives you 2 of the cleansers. It says cleanser and moisturizer. The thing is, when they put them in these packets, I don't know how they expect them to stay moist, moist so that it doesn't dry out so you can use it. But this says use the first 5 days. Just these 2. And then days 6 through 10, it tells you to use the next set. And then day 11 through 15, the next set. And then this is a bonus glycolic peel. So I just need to read the directions, which they are here for you. I will read them separately and then put them on my face and see. So let's get started. So it says use a pea-sized amount of this hydrating cleanser. It says dampen your face with lukewarm water, pour a dime-sized amount onto the palm of your hands, massage all over your face in a circular motion, including neck, eyebrows, and closed eyes. Rinse away with lukewarm water. Use cool water if skin is irritated by warming temperatures. For best results, use twice daily, morning and night. I just don't see how this is going to last 5 days, but we're going to see, because 5 days from now, I'm going to come back and check in with you, okay? Actually, I'll check in on the 6th day because it says to do this 1 through 5, and then on the 6th day, you start a different regimen. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to lather my face up. So as you can see, I'm making sure my face is moist. Have the product. I haven't closed my eyes, but you'll see. So it tells you to close your eyes. Put it on your face, your neck. Y'all can see me, but I can't see you because my eyes are closed. But anyway, put it on my face and my neck. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse it off. Not that it's gonna look any different, okay? So, but anyway, that's it. I normally don't dry my face. I let it air dry, so we're gonna let it dry and come back. Okay, so my face is dry, and this also says it's very concentrated, so apply a pea-sized amount over the entire neck and face. So, yep, we're gonna get our little pea size out. Because to me, that's a pea size, right? Push that back in. And we'll put it all over our face and neck. Okay. And we'll see. Okay. So, again, this is Dr. Rivers Riversol. That's what this is. We're on day 1. I'll come back day 6 and we'll see. Not sure what it's supposed to do other than make your skin better, even out your skin tone. It's a anti-aging is what it is. This sample is anti-aging. So I don't know, guess what? Maybe I'll look younger. Who knows? Anyway, again, this is $12.95. This is the sample pack. This is the anti-aging. It's a 15-day kit. I'm on day 1 of 15 days. I will come back on day 6 because day 6 tells us to do something different. Again, if this video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm doing my best to evaluate these products so a lot of other people won't have to waste money. And hopefully I'm not wasting my money because they're informational. They're helping people. Anyway, happy holidays to you all. J Mac out. Have a blessed day.